Bonjour! Na kami, ang ganda ng bahay ni Kay. Bili rin kami nito. Dalawa bukas. Char. Daming bisita.
Michael. Girl. I bet it's a healthy baby.
Gaganon lang, diba?
Yeah. You said I'm wearing blue, but it's a girl. Sabi ko vote. Sabi ko vote. It's a freaking boy. It's vlogging. What will you say? I'm always right. I trust my gut. What do you say?
Yeah, it's a boy because I'm wearing blue.
No, I call her on camera. She was like, I'm wearing blue, but I think it's a girl. Ako na naka-blue.
Well, it's a blue. So.
Bro, you said it's a girl earlier. Sabi ko, it's a healthy butt. I caught you on camera, both of you guys. No, don't expose that clip. You're saying. It's a he.
Di naman daw. Di naman daw. Mabilis.
Ano to, game?
Ay, naku. Lahat ng hindi ko ginagawa sa... Siya.
Thank you, Ren. Ayun na si Madam. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Evaluation.